Okay, this is a Ticino sliding bed gap lathe, model EST420. It has 33-inch swing over the bed, 62 in the gap, 118 inches when it's closed, 181 inches when it's open. When it's open all the way, the gap width would be 63 inches. So you can essentially swing 62 by 63. That's a 4-jaw chuck. Those are your hardened ground bedways. It's a travadial. Machine also is equipped with a taper turning attachment, Lore's tool post, live center, steady rest. Again, it's got a hardened ground ways as a secondary support there for the carriage on the way out. Angel is going to run it for you. Running the headstock forward. Oh, he just started the cross slide feed. Other direction. Longitudinal. Also longitudinal the other way. Rapid. Rapid traverse. Rapid traverse. Okay. Now let's start reverse on the spindle again. Forward and reverse. Okay. We're going to engage threading. Oh, we're going to do the bed? Okay. He's moving the bed out. In. Bed out. Yep. And again, that's through the, yeah. Okay. He's engaging the threading. Boom. There you go. And reversing the threading. So you can forward and reverse threading right from the carriage, and you have a thread dial indicator built in there. Okay. Let's run a few more speeds. So low speed. Machine also has, by the way, a 6 5/16 hole. We're going to take it up a little bit and then just turn it off. Okay, that's fast enough. So we ran some of the very low speeds, some of the medium speeds. That's obviously the high range. Take it out of high range so we don't start it later. And this is your serial number. 00970 00907, I'm sorry. That's your rapid. Again, that's your taper attachment. So you've seen the machine rapid, feed, thread, a whole bunch of different speeds. You saw the bed move out, bed move in. Thank you for watching the video.